How to turn on 2FA. Are you guys facing issues to turn on 2FA on PrimeXBT application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn on two-factor authentication on PrimeXBT, first of all, open PrimeXBT on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see this option for profile icon. Just simply tap on it. After you tap on it, you will be forwarded to this section where you can see multiple options. Scroll down, head over to the settings. Once you scroll down, tap on account security. Click on security. After you click on security, you will be able to see options for two-factor authentication. You are looking to enable it, right? Just simply toggle it on. After you toggle it, click on next and just simply scan this QR code. Once you scan this QR code, you will be able to turn on two-factor authentication on your two-factor authenticator app. Make sure to download that two-factor authenticator app from Google Play Store. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to turn on 2FA on PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.